If you have been struggling to add vegetables to your meals or enjoy eating them, this vegetable stew is about to change that narrative. This recipe is flavorful, comforting, and so satisfying that you will find yourself eating vegetables without even thinking twice. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I share simple, flavorful meals inspired by Ghanaian and continental cooking. If this is what you are looking for, kindly subscribe to your girl and join the family. Let's get into today's recipe. To start, I add some avocado oil in a pan and allow it to heat up. Avocado oil is great for frying because it has a high smoke point and it's very stable when cooking at higher temperatures. You can also substitute this with olive oil or coconut oil if that's what you have on hand. Once the oil was hot, I went in with my chicken breast and sausages, searing them until golden brown on both sides. At this stage, we are just adding flavors and colors. After searing, I transfer them into air fryer to finish cooking whilst I continue with the stew base. Using the same pan, I added a bit more oil and then sliced white onions, frying them until translucent. As the onion releases their natural juices, they helps deglaze the pan and lift all the left flavors behind from the chicken. Next, I added about 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and allow it to cook for a few minutes to remove the raw taste. After the tomato sauce has cooked and blended nicely with the onions, I went in with my green sauce marinade, which already has a full recipe on my channel if you want to check it out. This sauce adds a deep, heavy flavor base to the stew. I mix everything to combine very well and allow it to fry for additional 5 minutes so the flavors could develop properly. Next, I began incorporating the proteins. I started with some canned tuna, followed by seared chicken breast and chicken sausage. I mix everything thoroughly, allowing the protein to beautifully marry the sauce. If you've been enjoying me till now, why didn't you subscribe to your girl and join the family? Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. Whilst that was going on, I went ahead and prepared my vegetables. For this stew, I'm using cabbage, some carrots, zucchini, red onions, and all colors of bell peppers. This combination gives a nice balance of texture, color, and nutrients. Then I went ahead to season it with some all-purpose seasoning, some Italian herb, and some black pepper and salt to taste. You have to bear in mind that the sausage and the chicken has already been seasoned, so be careful not to oversalt your stew. I came back to check on the stew, and once the oil starts setting on top, that's the perfect time to add the vegetables. I added everything except the cabbage first, then gently mix to combine. The cabbage went in last since it cooks very quickly and I want it to stay slightly crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead to cover the pan and allow everything to simmer for few minutes until the vegetables were just tender and still vibrant. Over here, I came back to add up my cabbage. As I always say, You do you add and omit the seasonings, the vegetables to your preference. After all, you are the one going to enjoy it. If it's very difficult to add all these vegetables, I will advise to start one at a time. But let me tell you, this vegetable stew was so flavorful and so delicious. Like, I couldn't even have enough of that. As I'm editing this video, I feel like making some more badges. And just like that, the vegetable stew is ready. This dish is perfect for meal prep and pair well with rice, potatoes, yam, and any side of your choice. You can enjoy it as is, or in my case, I covered it a little bit for it to simmer. I don't want the raw cabbage, I want it a slightly crunchy, so yeah, it's all done over here and looks so delicious. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy and flavorful meals. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Ramadan Kareem to you all. Bye.